Hey, adhesive formulators! I will show you how to get the best bio-based adhesives of your life by mastering the chemistry, compliance, and commercial strategy that set industry leaders apart. Stop swapping ingredients. Start engineering innovation. This is the training that changes everything. Let's face it, ticking the sustainable box isn't enough anymore. Real progress in adhesives means tackling the science, the specs, and the standards head-on. That's why our online training, Bio-Based Adhesives, Advanced Ingredient Selection, Formulation, Performance, and Compliance Strategies, dives deep into the real challenges, such as advanced ingredient selection, hybrid formulation, compliance navigation, and rigorous validation that actually predicts real-world performance. Discover how to move beyond rosin esters and soy with next-gen biopolyols and lignin resins for tough structural and pressure-sensitive applications. Struggling with phase separation or curing? Expert will show you the hybrid strategies and compatibility tricks that make your blends work, not just on paper, but in production. Navigate the global compliance maze, such as USDA, FDA, REACH, ISO 10993, with practical frameworks for documentation and certification, so your products get to market quickly and confidently. And crucially, the expert will show you how to prove the value. Translating sustainability into hard numbers from LCA to ROI, so management listens. This isn't just another regular adhesive course. It's your chance for mastering the next generation of adhesives. Join us and lead the transformation. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. And hey, do check out our newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy for hundreds of expert-led on-demand training courses.